Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove a user from administrator group on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove a user from administrator's group on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu. Click on Computer Management, expand Local Users and Groups. Now click on Groups. Here you will find Administrators. Right click on Administrators and click on Properties. Here you will find all your administrator group member. Just select the member which you want to remove and then click on Remove. Look, the member is removed from the member list, and now click on Apply and then click OK. This is the easiest way to remove a user from administrator's group on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.